We are making a quick tomato and cream fraiches. Tomato and cream fraiches. Fraiches. Fraiche. Fraiches. Fraiches. What's that thing? Fresh. We can put basil in it. The 3 of your basil that you bought there. Yeah, we put a little for aesthetics. Is that not fraiches there?
Creme fraiche.
Oh, I'm too hungry.
Tomato and
cream fraiche. Cream fraiche.
Yeah.
Cream fraiche.
Yeah.
Wow, my brain just went there.
And then what's the other pack there?
This one is sausage.
What type?
I don't know.
What does it say?
Sausage Sicilian.
No.
Wait. Salsician.
Salsiccia.
Salsiccia.
Yeah.
Finding value to our videos, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. It really does make a huge difference to the channel, and we will see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to keep smiling and stay positive.